I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying the adapter and workspace. You want a clean, solid piece. Once done, power off the Victrola and stop the platter so nothing shifts. Now take the 45 adapter, align it to the spindle opening, and press it straight down until it seats without tilt. You should feel a firm stop. If it wobbles, remove and clean both parts. This prevents skipping and protects the record, so make sure fit is snug before continuing to place the record. Next, you place the 45 onto the adapter, ensuring the label is up and the hole sits centered. Lower the tone arm by hand to double-check clearance. Once confident, set the speed to 45 RPM. If your Victrola has a dial, select 45, and if it's adjustable, use a strobe disc or phone app to fine-tune. Make sure tracking weight and any anti-skate are appropriate for your cartridge. Incorrect settings cause distortion and wear. Once adjusted, lift the tone arm and get ready to play. Lower the tone arm smoothly and start playback. Listen for consistent rotation and check that the record sits flat without lateral wobble. If you hear skipping or warble, stop immediately. Remove the record and adapter, inspect and clean both mating surfaces with a lightly dampened isopropyl swap, then reseat. If pitch or speed is wrong, recalibrate the speed control. On belt or motor-driven units, check belt tension and motor pulley. If problems persist, try a different adapter or consult a technician.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.